Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets step by step. Drop-down lists make data entry faster, more consistent, and help prevent errors by allowing users to select from predefined options. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and select the spreadsheet where you want to create a drop-down list. Next, click on the cell or range of cells where you want the drop-down menu to appear. Once the cells are selected, click on Insert in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Dropdown. A data validation panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Here, you'll see options for creating your drop-down list. Under the Criteria section, enter the items you want to include in the list. For example, you might add options such as Pending, In Progress, and Completed. To add another option, click Add Another Item. You can also customize the colors for each option if you'd like. After entering all your choices, click Done. Now, click on one of the selected cells. You'll see a drop-down arrow appear. Click the arrow to view and select from your list of options. If you need to edit the list later, simply select the cell and open the data validation settings again. Drop-down lists are especially useful for project trackers, task management sheets, inventories, and data collection forms. And that's it. You've successfully created a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.